Hey guys, what's up? And today we're going to show you how to make paper airplanes. And don't forget we're the Thomas brothers. So first, and we're the pros at it. And we want 500,000 likes on this video. And so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Okay, this is how you make a paper airplane. First, you fold it like hot dog style. And then you open it like this. Then you open it, and then you fold it to that line that you made, like this. Yep, like that. Like this. And next, you're gonna fold it. You see it? You're gonna fold it again to this line. You're gonna fold it again to this line. I'm sorry, I didn't see the camera. Like this, guys. Like this. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thinking that was not all. And okay, and after that, you're gonna fold it like this. You're gonna, see this? Fold it like that. And then you can fold your plane like this, however you want it to be like, okay? So I'm gonna make mine like this. How do you think it looks? He doesn't know how to make one. Right here.
Oh, yes, I do.
Y'all, tell me when y'all are ready. Guy. Wait, we gotta wait a minute. I'm taking progress. Okay, y'all ready? And guys, make sure you have this tip. You see this tip? If you want to go farther, you better do this. You sharpen it you take the tip, like that, and then you unfold your paper airplane, then you fold it like that, fold it like that, and you see that? That's how you do it. And then you fold it. Like that. Okay, guys, we're gonna show you how far this plane goes. So, and then there you have it. So, guys, here we go. We gotta go in the backyard, which we're already out at our. Look at mine. I don't know what it's called, but we're gonna flip the camera. And can you go get Mommy? Can you go get her? No. So she can hold it.
Yeah, you can hold it. Then we're gonna go.
Okay, I'm gonna turn the video around. How do you do it?
Okay.
Where is it?
You need to hold it so we're showing them how powerful you go.
Okay, I'm just gonna
Look at mine. This is how
turn it around like that.
And next, I'm up.
There it is. Okay, next is Weston. Go, Weston, show us how you do it.
Oh, mine doesn't.
And next
look
up
that
is
good.
me. Mom went to find this. This only goes like 20 feet. So, hope you like this video. We want, how much likes again? 5,000 likes. And hope you love this video. And bye, guys.